So what's incredible about the environment here at Leon High School is that we have a dedicated classroom and a dedicated training space. And so this program gives us an opportunity to start them here, and by the end of this year, they will be completed a professional firefighter program.
My favorite part is that I can stay on campus and I can just be fully enrolled. I can get college credits already, so if I do choose to go to college, then I already have part of it completed. Having this chance to do it while I'm in school and immediately go to the workforce is really amazing.
The instructor cadre here at this program are these same instructors that are teaching our students at the Fire Academy on main campus, and so these students are receiving the exact same level of expertise.
Having them out here and having them guiding us through all the things that we do, it's been such a extremely cool experience.
I love this entire class. It's really friendly. We spend a lot of time together.
We all work together as a team and everything just turns out perfectly fine, and we have a great class every single day.
It's a one-of-a-kind program. First of all, it kind of opens up a door for some kids in a way that they haven't thought about previously.
This is a different approach, and so the dual enrollment aspect has been really appealing to the students here, and particularly the parents as well, who want to make sure they're getting that fresh start, they're getting those credits under their belts.
With all the help I've gotten from my instructors and my classmates, I feel like I can get to being a Tallahassee firefighter.